This video is for an old friend. He died 5-6 years ago. His name was Ronnie. Ronnie, cheers. We're missing you. Crazy dude. He was so funny. Gonna add a picture in this video. That's the malossi 1 case with the removed lettering. You need welding for that. And what we need now, we want to put in the prefix of the Vespa, where this engine is gonna work. So first, before we hit in these numbers, I want to show you a small trick that Ronnie showed me. Second. What did Ronnie show me? He once had a small scooter shop in Vienna. It was called Roller Ring. Scooter Ring. Or Roller Ring. A long time ago, was somewhere in the 90s. And you need a hammer. You always need a hammer, do you? Take sandpaper. Because the problem is, if you make this surface even, it will get smooth, so it does not look so original anymore. Just take a rough sandpaper, 60-80, a hammer, and do this. This will roughen the surface and it will look nearly like original. And in the end you can always put some oil and dirt over it so that it is covered. The Ronnie trick. Ronnie, this one's for you. Hope you're doing well. Cheers. That's how it looks like. Now we roughened the surface with some sandpaper and a hammer, and then I put in the logo and the new prefix for the engine case. Better than the malossi lettering here. If someone does not know Vespa so much and just want to check if this is the right prefix in this scooter, it is fine. Yeah, and I always like to put some dirt on it. Makes it look original. Ronnie trick. Let's call it Ronnie. Ronnie, we're missing you, dude. Well, I put pictures in the video so you can see, and you can do it even better than I did. Fill the letters up as they're inside the cast. Fill it up with cold metal, then sandpaper it, and then take a silver spray, as the whole case is sprayed anyways, and cover it, and there you go, you're incognito again. The other thing is what I want to show you.